nandito kayo ngayon, hindi lang dahil you like Eliza and Eliza you like Henry. It's more than liking. It's love. And what is love? St. Thomas has this very beautiful definition of love. Love is willing the good of the other. No? Kaya bilang mag-asawa, Henry at Eliza, when you love, you will the good of the other.
You make me feel like the stars fell from the sky and rested within me. And I'm living proof that a heart can swell to the size of the galaxy. I'm bruised from running down the miles I shake, but it's this ball of fire, I swear. It trembles in my bones. 'Cause you're my star.
Thank you. Kax,
My star.
swap na lang kayo. Oh, pwede yan? Ha? Oo. Oh, makakita ka rin. Dapat nag-contact lens ka na lang eh.
CA! Oh! Oh my gosh! The favorite makeup artist, Angelou. Ah! Ang umuwi galing Manila, Edna. Ah. My future sister-in-law, Ate Aika. Ah. Exena. And of course, my best friend, Abby.
You're my star. Higher than my love, you will always be wherever I go. 'Cause you're my star.
Nag-overnight kami din nung morning. Dalawa lang kami. Papahinga lang, ganyan, kakagising lang halos. Tamang tingin-tingin sa dagat, ganyan. At sabi ko, nag-video-video nga tayo, sabi ko gano'n. Tapos pinatalikod ko siya. Sabi ko, kunwari, harap ka doon. Harap ka sa dagat. Then, pagtalikod niya, ayun na, nag-propose na ako. Parang hindi pa nag-sink in sa kanya, siguro mga 5 minutes bago niya na nag-sink na. Tapos ayun, biglang umiyak. Siya pa rin nag-yes na. Pero intimate lang, dalawa lang kami.
Yun yung most unexpected na pangyayari sa buong buhay ko. Kasi never ko talagang na-imagine na ikakasal ako.
You're my star. You're my star. You're my star.
I promise to love you even when you're hungry and moody. Kahit palagi naman. Kahit pa ikaw ang dahilan kung wala nang laman ang rest. Alam ko, kung kita mo pa lang sa akin, nahulog ka na agad. At nasabi mo sa sarili mo, ito na ang lalaking papakasalan ko. Kaya pasensya na, pinaghintay ko na.
You came into my life at the time I was questioning my worth, my purpose, my very life. I was so lost. But even then, kahit nanliligaw ka pa lang, you never gave up on me. And you even told me, I quote, kahit naka-screenshot pa to sa akin. Sabi mo, Be, sa mundong to, ako ang kakampi mo. Kung may rants ka, sa akin mo ilabas. Kung may gusto kang ikwento, sa akin mo ikwento. Andito ako para makinig. Susuportahan kita sa mga desisyon mo. And you meant every word. That was the moment I realized I have found the love I've been praying for.
Pero around October, nagpa-deliver ako ng flower, yung message, nandoon yung tanong na, will you be my girlfriend?
Oo, birthday ko yon. sabi ko pa nga dati, niisip ko, sabi ko, ayoko nang tatanungin ako ng, can you be my girlfriend?
Ngayon, naghuhugas ako ng plato, dumating yung flower. Siya yung nag-receive. Ang gusto ko kasi dapat ako bibigay ko, pero siya rin yung nag-receive.
Nagulat ako, sobrang nagulat talaga ako nung nagbigay ng flowers. Akala ko, usually kasi nagbibigay sa akin ng flowers friends ko, ganyan. Tapos nagulat na lang ako. Nasakto nasa bahay din siya noon. Pero siguro mahihain nga siya. Ayaw niya siguro siya mismo yung magbigay ng flowers sa akin.
So naghuhugas ako ng plato, nilapitan niya ako, ano to? Sabi niya. Tapos ayun, nagsabi niya yes. Ayun, doon na kami nagsimula.
And so every night I prayed the Lord. Alam ko pong hindi na mababalik ang papa ko, pero sana makahanap ako ng isang lalaking kasing buti at kasing tapat niya. And God answered my prayer. He gave me you.
Let's go out and be wild, do it while we can. Running free in the world, we got all weekend. Tear it up, tear it down, getting lost in the sound of our hearts beating. Take me here, take me now, getting lost in the crowd with you. All night, I waited for you all my life. Hold my hand and keep me
King.
close.
Yup. Wala, kuya. Takpan niyo na lang Puno. Cheers! For the pancit that never ordered. Scattered hearts, broken glass, I don't feel a thing. Cause I'm frozen in time when you're next to me. Tear it up, tear it down, getting lost in the sound of our hearts beating. Take me
Feeling ko magiging proud yung tatay ko na nakahanap ako ng totoong lalaki at sobrang magiging masaya siya. And feeling ko sobrang magiging magkasundo sila kung sakali mong nagkakilala sila.
Ayun. Paggawa sana ako ng standee, wala lang ako mahanap na picture ni Tito. Basta siguro may masasabi ako kay Tito. Aalagaan ko yung anak ko.